Hi, I'm Josh. Welcome to Air Conditioner Lab, where we review a variety of home appliances and HVAC products so you can find the right brands for your needs. In this video, I'll be sharing 4 of the best window air conditioners for large rooms and big open areas. Now, one quick thing to note in this video is that BTU means British thermal units, and this is a metric used for cooling power. Now, the higher the BTU, the larger the area that can be cooled. I'd like to caution that bigger does not always mean better, and sizing properly is crucial. If you buy a model with a BTU that's too large for what you need, it will cause short cycling. This means the AC will shut on and off repeatedly in a short amount of time, leading to temperature inconsistencies, inefficiency, and eventually damage to the compressor. I'll go over the appropriate room sizing of each model I share today. Instead of a ranked list, I'll start with the largest size window ACs and work my way down from there. Each product has some unique features that I'll also highlight. Now, please note that all product links can be found in the description. Let's get started. First on my list is the Friedrich Cool, which is one of the largest window ACs in the market with a whopping 35,000 BTUs. This power can be compared to a 3-ton central AC and can comfortably cool spaces of up to 2,700 square feet. I recently installed this one in a 2,500 square foot clothing boutique in an old 1940s building, saving my client thousands of dollars over having a central AC installed. This setup was ideal for the large one-room facility. I was impressed by the Friedrich's noise levels as well, which registers at about 51 decibels. This can be compared to the sound of a dishwasher or a quiet conversation, and it's quieter than most portable ACs in the market. The energy efficiency is slightly lacking and has an EER of 9.1. Typically for window ACs, I'd consider any rating over 10 to be energy efficient, so this score isn't too bad, especially for a product of this magnitude. Its 9.1 rating is much higher than you'd find in a traditional portable AC coverage with the same amount of space, and is on par for what you can expect for large window units. One important thing to note about this Friedrich model is that it requires a 230-volt outlet, which is typical for most models above 15,000 BTUs. You may need to have an electrician install one before installation. As a bonus, the Friedrich Cool also has a heating feature of 17,300 BTUs. This is perfect for areas with very mild winters and for use as supplemental heating. It also means that with regular maintenance, this product can serve you all year round, making the investment of around $2,600 well worth it. Next on my list is the Frigidaire 28K, which is top of its class in the 28,000 BTU category. This model can cover up to 1,900 square feet, and I've installed this one in classrooms in older schools and office spaces. This model is expensive at around $1,300 each, but I have found that my customers will save money and have more effective cooling with the 28,000 BTU model than by using several smaller units. For energy efficiency, this Frigidaire model has a 9.4 rating. While that still doesn't reach my gold standard for energy efficiency with a score above 10, I've found that this is the most efficient 28,000 BTU model out there. The noise levels of this model are suitable too, and at 59 decibels, I can still carry on a meeting without feeling like I'm yelling over the crowd. The next category I'll showcase is the 23,500 BTU category, which is suitable for spaces of up to 1,440 square feet. The LG Dual Inverter is the best window AC for this room size, and it's my personal favorite option on this list because it really checks all of the boxes. Most window air conditioners for larger rooms have a traditional compressor, but this LG model has an inverter compressor, meaning that the motor changes incrementally as needed instead of starting and stopping as the room temperature is reached. This feature is a big energy saver, and the LG Dual Inverter has an outstanding EER of 14.7. An inverter compressor also makes a window air conditioner much quieter than traditional window ACs. The LG runs at about 44 decibels, which is perfect for sleeping. I recommend checking out this option if you're looking to cool a large studio apartment or a loft. The cherry on top for most people will be the LG's full smart capabilities, which include voice commands with Alexa devices and Google Home. For those with more LG appliances, everything can be controlled with one convenient app. Most impressive in my eyes is that the LG Dual Inverter is available for under $700, making it not only an excellent product, but also an amazing deal. Last on my list today is a 15,100 BTU option from Frigidaire. This model offers great value for money as it's under $575 and can cover up to 850 square feet, making it ideal for large living areas. When my wife and I finished our walkout basement, this became the perfect option for cooling our space without sacrificing our wallets. Although it doesn't have an inverter like the LG model, it is still reasonably energy efficient and has a rating of 11.8. The real selling point for most people here will be that this Frigidaire model can be plugged into any standard 150-volt outlet, meaning that renters and homeowners can run it out of the box without any extra hassle. There you have it. There is a perfectly sized window AC for every space, even up to 2,700 square feet. As long as you size your unit properly up front, you can expect fantastic cooling all season long. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Also, check out the information in the description box below. This includes all product links plus our most up-to-date article on airconditionerlab.com. See you next time!